So we recorded this video probably about a year ago, and it's nowhere near where this car is sitting now. I'll do a video on this car once it warms up a little bit, and we can really take it out and have some fun with it. But that's my roommate Will's car. Basically this video is just going to be us installing, I think it was a stage 1 or stage 1.5 tuned SFR ECU. So if you want to use it as a tutorial, you can. I'll show you the basics, I guess. But yeah, enjoy. Alright, it's ECU time, baby. Alright, so this video is not going to be a tutorial because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So this is
anything?
Yeah, it should be good. This is purely for enjoyment.
I wanna make this shit not touch back, they were just touching back.
I normally find something that I can set in between them. Like I normally just set like a piece of plastic.
Oh, fucking shit.
Here, hold on.
Are they gapped already?
No, we gotta gap them.
How are you gonna gap them?
We got a gapper.
Does that work?
Should if you just layer it up.
See,
I think.
We literally came straight back and touched it.
Tell me in the comments if we're gonna die.
I heard it. I heard it fucking spark, bro.
The shippers.
I heard it fucking spark.
Yeah, it jumped over.
Like, God damn it.
And then,
Alright, good shit. Be careful with the 10.
there we go.
Oh yeah, engineering.
Engineering mastermind.
Of course it's a 10, bro.
Why the fuck wouldn't it be? It's from Korea. Alright, I'm gonna guess that this is also, these are also 10 mils.
Are they really?
Yeah, they look like
I
it.
should have brought my tools, bro.
Alright, let's see. Does AJ's magical box of tools have a 10 mil wrench already out?
Oh,
and it's the ratcheting one.
Oh, God.
You know I've been working on some imports.
Lately?
Lately, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm gonna take this out and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, we got the goods out here, so it's just
It's about 80.
4 bolts.
Dude, you got a race collar.
Then we put the race car shit in there.
Really?
Weird hole
Yes,
here.
bro.
And Will's over here working on getting new plugs in. Got some nice Iridium Johnnies. There you go. There's the parts number. Yeah. Yeet. All right, so new ECU is in. Thomas is tightening that up, and now we gotta get the plugs going.
AJ, I hope you get more than.
Ready?
All right, first start with the SFR ECU. Oh yeah.
Wider, bro. What the fuck? Why is it so quiet like that?
It's got like a more aggressive tone to it though.
Oh my God.
Listen to it, it's got a little more rumble.
Yes. Let's put everything back together.
It's cause the timing's a little different.
That is so nice, bro. I fuck with it so hard. I really do. This is really nice. Because it was so annoying before. Like, it was annoyingly
Well,
loud.
how happy are you right now?
I'm very happy, man. Because I was, like,
Stressing.
I was stressing about this.
Stressing.
And not just that, but the fact that the car is so fucking loud. Well, it was so fucking loud